Morning, people. Afternoon now. Okay, we're over here at 611 Magnolia Street. We have this one and one more. This is a double deep nuke. And they seem to be getting a lot. These were getting robbed a lot there for a little while, and we did some work to them. So I think that pretty much took care of them. Maybe guaranteed possibility. But we're going to take the top off. This is my wire that I put my dry sugar on. If y'all know anything about those, let me know. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you ain't been watching videos. Or not mine, anyway. Okay. Make sure y'all can see. Okay. Look in here, there's not very many bees up here in the top. One of them looks like she's just getting her flight lessons, and they're out there letting her do a solo, and she come back in and rolled. Started to get up and roll again. Yeah, this one has a little honey on it. No bugs. And this one here has a little comb on it. And they're still working in there. Got a little honey on it. Has a little honey on it. Has a little honey and nectar on it. That's them. Another question Charlie asked me was, he noticed that on my videos I never used the queen excluder. Well, I've got queen excluders. I've got plastic ones. I've got metal ones. I like the metal ones. Okay, we need to look here and see what we got. Has some eggs in it. Has honey and eggs, both sides. Didn't see the queen. Oh, queen excluders. I don't use queen excluders to keep my queen from laying into supers. This one here has some pollen. There's a yellow queen. Right there. So y'all know what we're going to do with her. back there. Over here. Take this one. Goes there. Got this one. And we could, but we're not. Yeah, we can. Put that one right there. We got warm days, warm nights. Put that there. We have a roller derby down here on the bottom, bees fighting. We're going to put that back there. Okay. We know where the yellow queen is. Well, she might not be there when we move the box, but she's there now. Or was. That'll work. You know, people, days like this, I just love them. Okay, back to queen excluders. I used queen excluders for a couple of months or years, and I was trying to get all my hives built up and everything, and they kept saying use queen excluders, use queen excluders. And I finally said if the queen wants to lay, and your queen will usually lay up to about the second box, about 18 inches from the bottom board. She'll lay up about 18 inches, and then there'll be honey ring, and there'll be honey mixed in with all the other things. But if she runs out of room down there, if she wants to go up in a honey super, bless her little heart. And that's what I let them do, and I haven't used them for that in a long time. Now I do still use them, but that's mainly to find a queen. You can put a frame down, put a honey super, put a this one right here looks like that. I'll tell you what we're going to do with this one. We're going to take this one, and we're going to take this one, that one's got a little honey in it. We're going to put it down here on the bottom. This one has a little honey, and it's a real nice brood frame, so we're going to sit it right there in its place. Y'all, I know I say don't pull, don't push down in the middle. Frames start with the side, but they got, this one got plenty of room. And the queen excluder, I put my box, put an empty box down with some frames in it, built out frames. And then I take my queen excluder and put over the top of that, and I put another box over the top of that. Empty box. That's going to be my funnel box. This one here has some pollen on both sides, which is good. They're keeping the bottom clean. No bugs on the pollen. And you shake the bees into the top box, which is empty, and little bees was fighting somebody over here. But anyway, the only ones that'll go down the bottom is the work bees and the nursery bees. Drones can't get through it, and the queen can't get through it, and you can find a queen that way. Don't do that unless you absolutely positively mainly got to. This one here has some honey on it. No bugs. But that's what I use queen excluder for. Yeah, this one needs food. All of these over here needs food. We haven't had a nectar flow to amount to anything. We got some honey, but most of it is fall honey. This one here has pollen and honey. And this one has pollen and honey. We will give them more pollen because they eat pollen during the winter months too, you know. Especially down here where you have 70 or 80 degree days this time of the year. And they're going to go out and looking for food. If they can find some, they'll eat it. If they can't, they won't. This one here has some pollen on it, and that's about it. Very little stores, people. And the bottom clean. So we're going to put all these back down here. Put this one in the bottom. The queen and her brood is up in the top. I'm going to build me another oxalic acid vaporizer. Been working on it for a couple of days and I'm not doing something else, and that's not normal. I have something else to do around here, but I'm supposed to be getting my ink bird in tomorrow, so I got to control. Then I'll program the control and and then I'll oxalic acid these girls with it tomorrow. Here you go, girlies. Bring your food back when he comes. Food dish back in there. Put their ring back on there. They're looking good. They just need food. We put that back on there. And this one had 2 uncapped queen cells on 6, but they cut them down. But y'all have a great one. Be careful out there this weekend. Enjoy yourselves, but be careful. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share, tell people where we're at. We need some more subscribers. Give us a comment. You give us comments like Charlie did, and like a few other people did. But anyway. We've got something we can work with them, something we can talk with. I mean, I'll send them a comment back, but that gives me something I can talk about other than we have a yellow queen, we have eggs, we have room in stores. You know, if I don't have something I can talk about, I don't talk about it. But y'all enjoy yourselves. Bye.